Hello, and thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how much monthly income could you earn from a $50,000 annuity? My name is James Usby, and I am a financial consultant, and I typically help people who are 55 and older with protecting their wealth. So, annuities, what are they? Annuities are investment options, typically best for older investors. For one thing, there's a 10% penalty for annuity withdrawals before age 59 and a half, making them problematic for younger investors. But the very purpose of most annuities is to provide a lifelong income stream, or at least one for a certain period of time. This is obviously more attractive to older investors because many of them might otherwise have a real risk of outliving their income. But one of the problems with annuities is that it can be hard to know exactly what you'll get out of them if you invest. So here's a look at the different types of annuities and what you might earn from them if you invest $50,000. And we're going to talk about the risks involved in purchasing annuities. So first, types of annuities. The two main broad categories of annuities are fixed and variable. All annuities have two phases called the accumulation phase and the annuitization phase. During the accumulation phase, an annuity can grow in value due to either additional contributions or its own investment performance. At annuitization, the annuity begins paying out. Fixed annuities pay a stated interest rate, which they can begin to pay either immediately or after a deferred period of time, during which they accumulate in value. Variable annuities, which are also securities, are usually invested in a mutual fund type investments that can rise or fall in value until annuitization. The reason I say variable annuities are securities is because they can lose value. At that point, they pay an income based on their accumulated value. So, types of annuity payouts. There are different ways you can take a payout from an annuity. Some of the most common are 1. Life annuity. You'll receive payments as long as you live. 2. Joint life, also known as joint and survivor life. You will receive payments until you pass away, at which point your surviving spouse will receive payments for the rest of their life. These payments are typically smaller than life-only payments since they cover a longer period of time. The third type is life with period certain, also known as guaranteed term. This pays for life unless the insured dies before a certain period of time, such as 10 or 15 years. At that point, payments will continue to a beneficiary for the specified period of time. Next, we have fixed period or period certain. Payments will continue only for the specified period, not for the life of the insured. And then lastly, we have lump sum, which is the entire value of the account will be paid out at one time. Note that not all insurance companies offer all of these options, and some could offer more. So let's look into payments you might receive from a $50,000 annuity. A straight fixed annuity is the easiest type of annuity to calculate a payment from. This is because fixed annuities work sort of like bonds. If you use $50,000 to buy a fixed annuity paying 5% per year, for example, you'll earn $2,500 annually, or about $208.33 per month. Deferred annuities, on the other hand, can be more complicated to estimate payments for because there are more variables. Whether an annuity is for the life of the account holder, his or her spouse, or a shorter term certain of, for example, 10 or 20 years, will affect how much the monthly payout you receive is. Even the gender of the insured plays a role, as men will typically receive higher monthly payouts than women simply because they generally don't live as long. According to Blueprint Income, average payouts for men aged 60 to 75 investing in a $50,000 annuity can range from $3,519 per year all the way up to $5,019 per year. For women, however, those rates drop to a range from $34.27 to $47.69. So, a couple $100 difference from the range. These rates are for immediate annuities as of March 2024. Tax benefits of annuities. Next section, tax benefits of annuities. Unlike if you invest in a bond, the income you receive from an annuity is not fully taxable. During the accumulation period, Earnings in an annuity grow tax deferred. Annuity payouts are a combination of earned income and the return of some of the principal you invested. While the income portion is fully taxable, the return of your principal, what you paid in, is tax-free. Any death benefit associated with your annuity contract, if applicable, will be tax-free to your heirs as well. Next section here, risks involved in buying annuities. Now, the main pro involved in buying an annuity is that you can typically convert it to a lifelong guaranteed income stream. The peace of mind that comes with that can be very important to older investors, but there are some drawbacks that you should be aware of before you move forward with that. First, annuities can be expensive. An annuity company could take anywhere from 1% to 3% in annual fees. These aren't the ones that I'm working with. And most annuities have long surrender periods as well. This means that you might pay as much as 10% if you want to get out of your contract early, and there may be some type of surrender charge for as long as 10 years. So you're always going to want to make sure you consult a financial professional about this. You may not always get the highest return from investing in an annuity either, as insurance companies take customer deposits and use them to buy bonds. The returns they pay out to investors are usually less than you could get from investing directly in a bond yourself. So obviously this is a general example, but from what I've seen, one of our most popular products is a fixed annuity at 5.5% for 5 years. And so our typical client is going to be having a CD that's coming due. And typically the CDs that are coming due are maybe at 1%, 2%, 3%, something in there. And they're looking to have some guaranteed protection as well as earning some interest. And so for these older investors who are okay with locking up that money, our typical surrender period is either 3 to 5 years locked in at a 5.5% guaranteed rate. So if that's interesting to you, please reach out to me. I have in my bio a guide for you to download. It's for free. It's over 100 pages long. It's called the No BS Financial Field Manual, as well as some other links like my newsletter where I send out rates and other financial concepts which are explained. And I would be extremely grateful if you could hit the like button and click subscribe and share this video with someone that you think might find it interesting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.